वैष्णव महंत पुणी थे स्वागत जनाऊँगी बीएम टॉक्स चैनल मिशन सक्सेस ट्यूटोरियल को। आज मुझे भिडियोटी उपस्थापन करने को जाऊँगी नवम श्रेणी प्रोज सेक्शन दी प्राइसलेस गिफ्ट पार्ट 1। यार जो पार्ट 1 रे कॉन्सेप्ट अच्छी ताकू आमे सरल भाव में बुझा यार एनिमेशन भिडियोटी को आमे प्रथमे देखि नवा। Once Mr. Gupta had been to London. One day he visited to a vegetarian restaurant. The restaurant was very crowded. He saw that some of the chairs and tables had been pushed into a corner. I chose the corner table, seated myself and started skimming through the newspaper. At that moment, I noticed a very young girl looking at me. Her eyes were large and they had a sad expression. As she was going out, she asked the cashier in a low voice, "Is that gentleman an Indian?" "I think so," the cashier replied. The girl looked at me once more and went out. It surprised me. Why? What was the matter? Her interest in me aroused my curiosity in her. When I had finished my lunch, I asked the waiter, "Do you know the girl who was sitting out there?" "No, sir. I noticed she has lunch here on Saturdays. She comes on payday only. Perhaps she does not earn much." I was moved by what he said. The curiosity I felt about the girl persisted. Why had she inquired about me? Who was the mysterious child? I kept thinking of her poverty-stricken, sad, anxious figure. Could I help her in any way? A week passed. Saturday came again. I went to the same restaurant. As I entered, I saw her sitting at the same table as before. She was eating. I went up to her and took the chair opposite her. I wished her a good afternoon, and then by making one brief remark after another, I was able to start a conversation. I learned that her only guardian was her brother. She lived with her old widowed mother, Mrs. Betty. I understood how she felt. I think she wanted me to see her mother, but she did not have the courage to ask me to accompany her home. We finished our lunch and got up together. As we walked, I asked her, "May I know your name?" "My name is Maggie." We chatted pleasantly and soon reached a bus stand. This gave me the opportunity of asking her where she worked. "Do you usually go this way?" "No, I usually take the village bridge. It is being repaired at the moment." Soon we approached their neighborhood. We had reached a narrow doorway. Maggie took a thin latch key out of her pocket and opened the door. She entered and said, "Please come in." Together we descended the stairs to the kitchen. "Mother," said Maggie from the doorway, "an Indian gentleman has come to see you." "Where is he?" the old woman asked eagerly. With a smile, I stepped into the kitchen behind Maggie. She introduced us. "How do you do?" I said and held out my hand. "Excuse me, my hands are covered with flour. I am making cakes. People will come to buy them this evening. This is the way we make our living. Lots of trouble. Saturday night is a time of festivity in poor neighborhoods. All kinds of things are sold on this night. The streets are more crowded than any other day. This is the day when they are able to spend a little from their weekly wages.
दर्शक बंधु एनिमेशन वीडियोटी देखिले आशा करुछि निश्चय यार कॉन्सेप्ट को बुझी जाइथिबे। तबे वर्तमान आमे देखिबा ई टॉपिक रो पार्ट 1 सेक्शन रो जो सेंटेंस सब अछि सेगुडी को मो गोटे पर गोटे ग्रामेटिकली एनालाइज करछि। तबे चलंतु सेगुडी को देखि नबा। देखो ये पार्ट 1 रो जो प्रथम सेंटेंस टी अछि तहला आई वेंट टू ए वेजिटेरियन रेस्टोरेंट। यार यदि ओडिया अर्थ हम देखिबा तार अर्थ हला मु गोटे निरामिष भोजनालय को जाइथिली। ई सेंटेंस रे जो ग्रामेटिकली यदि हम एनालाइज करिबा एकर दुईटी पार्ट अछि यथा सब्जेक्ट पार्ट आउ प्रेडिकेट पार्ट। तो सब्जेक्ट पार्ट रे जो वर्ड टी अछि ताहला आई, प्रेडिकेट पार्ट रे जो वर्ड गुडी करछन्ती से गुडी कहला वेंट टू ए वेजिटेरियन रेस्टोरेंट। बतन या गुडी हमें ग्रामेटिकली एनालाइज करिवा। सब्जेक्ट रे जो आई अछि आई कहिले फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रोनाउन यूज्ड एज सब्जेक्ट एवं प्रेडिकेट रे जो वर्ड गुडी अछि से गुडी कहला वेंट। प्रथमे वेंट वर्ड को देखिबा एला पास्ट टेंस फॉर्म ऑफ गो, गो रो पास्ट टेंस। तापर अछि टू, ए जो टू वर्ड टी अछि टू होछि प्रीपोजिशन। सेही परे नेक्स्ट वर्ड हला ए होछि इंडेफिनाइट आर्टिकल। तापर हमर अछि वेजिटेरियन। वेजिटेरियन वर्ड टी ग्रामेटिकली कोन? वेजिटेरियन हला एडजेक्टिव। रेस्टोरेंट वर्ड टी नाउन अटे। तो एही परि मु प्रथम वाक्यटी को ग्रामेटिकली एनालाइज करिछि। आपण माने आगो को जो सेंटेंस अछि पार्ट 1 रो जो सेंटेंस अछि सेगुडी को मु केवल 12 टी सेंटेंस को एनालाइज करछि। अवशिष्ट सेंटेंस गुडी को निजे आपण माने करिया पय चेष्टा करन। काहे कि ना सब सेंटेंस जदी वीडियो रे मु देखाइबा को चेष्टा करी वीडियो टी बहुत लेंदी हे जिवो आउ समय बहुत लागिवो। यदि आपण मानकर कोनोसी सेंटेंस असुविधा बा संदेह लागे या करिबा पय कष्ट लागे ताहले मो कमेंट बॉक्स रे ताकू लिखंतु पर्टिकुलर से सेंटेंस को ताकू परवर्ती वीडियो रे एनालाइज करिवि। तो चलो तो देखिबा आउ जो केतोटी सेंटेंस को एनालाइज करिछि सेगुडी को मो स्पीड मोशन रे दउछि। आपण माने वीडियो टी को देखिला बेले स्टॉप मोड रे रखि ताको क्रमान्वये देखिबे। दर्शक बंधु आशा करुछि आपण माने ये जो 12 टी सेंटेंस को ग्रामेटिकली एनालाइज करछि सेगुडी को ଆପଣ ମାନେ ମନୋଯୋଗର ସହ ଦେଖିବେ ଏବଂ ମୁଁ ଯୋଉ କହିଲି ଷ୍ଟପ୍ ମୋଡରେ ରଖି ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରେସ ବାର୍ କୁ କ୍ଲିକ୍ କରି କ୍ରମେ କ୍ରମେ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରନ୍ତୁ ଏବଂ ଏହାକୁ ବୁଝିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରନ୍ତୁ। ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କ କୌଣସି କ୍ୱେରିଜ୍ ବା କୌଣସି ସଜେସନ୍ ଥିଲେ କମେଣ୍ଟ ବକ୍ସରେ ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ। ଆଉ କୌଣସି ଡାଉଟ୍ ବା ସନ୍ଦେହ ଥିଲେ ତାକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ କମେଣ୍ଟ ବକ୍ସରେ ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ। ମୁଁ ମୋର ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ଭିଡିଓରେ ସେଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ସମାଧାନ କରି ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ଭିଜୁଆଲାଇଜେସନ ଫର୍ମରେ ମୁଁ ଉପସ୍ଥାପନ କରିବି। ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ।